Hi guys. Hope you're enjoying your semester break day. I am enjoying it as well. I'm out here snowshoed a few miles up the road from White Pass, and I am here. The sun is starting to come out, and it is beautiful out here. And of course, I wrote a book, and my book today is called Island of the Lost by Joan Druitt, and I'm just starting it. But it's an extraordinary story of survival at the edge of the world. This is a true story. It takes place in the 1800s. A shipwreck on an island off the coast of New Zealand, and then on the other side of the island, another shipwreck. And it compares how the two crews did. One crew um, looks like they survive and band together and help each other out, and one crew kind of falls into chaos and anarchy. So I enjoy true life adventure survival stories because I like to see what people do when they're pushed to the edge. And also, I can live vicariously through them since snowshoeing is about the limit of my adventure. Anyway, if you guys, some of you might enjoy this book, some of you might be tired of novels and fiction and things. And again, these are true stories of survival. I have a few others. John Krakauer's Into Thin Air. I think I have Endurance about Ernest Shackleton in the North Pole. And great stories, inspirational, also tragic as well. But all right, I'm going to get back to my book and then I'm going to head back. So again, hope you guys are having a great day. I will see you tomorrow back in class. All right. See ya.